A Chinese Air Force formation conducted island patrols in April involving multi-type combat aircraft to improve the ability to safeguard national sovereignty and territorial integrity. A highlight in the formation was H-6K bombers, China's domestically grown medium and long-range war aircraft. In recent years, H-6K bombers have participated in patrols along China's coast from the East China Sea to the South China Sea. Also in the formation were fighter jets, reconnaissance and early warning aircraft. The Chinese Air Force has announced to conduct more of such island patrols, vowing it has the resolve, the confidence, and the ability to safeguard national sovereignty and territorial integrity.